In this video, we're going to talk about how to do a Minnesota Public Records check. If you can start by visiting minnesotapublicrecords.com, and on the front page you will see a compiled list, alphabetized, of the different public record databases available in the state of Minnesota. So depending on what your public records check is about, you should be able to locate a database. We also have created specific pages to records that are usually more sought after. For example, background checks, criminal records, court records. And then under other records, you'll find warrant checks, inmate search, vital information, property records, things like that. So I'm going to click on one of the pages. So for example, background checks, you'll find all the resources available at the state level. So this would do a statewide check. If you scroll down, you'll find things that are done at the county level. So if you're just searching the Minnesota Department of Corrections, that will give you prison records. So this is a statewide search. For example, if somebody gets arrested and released, maybe the same day, maybe the next day, it would be at a local county jail. So if you needed to look up that record, if you wanted to look at a mugshot, you would have to go to that specific county sheriff's department website and look at their database there. So they're all beneficial, both state and county. So depending on what your public records check is all about, you have to figure out which databases will best serve you. Your other option is to use the private database, and that's all you need is a first name and a last name. This is an instant search practically. And what this does is it compiles records not just at the county level or Minnesota state level. It compiles records from multiple states, so multiple databases, different states. So why would you want something like that? People move. Let's say somebody has a criminal record in Utah, or maybe they have a criminal record in Georgia, and then they ended up moving to Minnesota. If you're just checking the county records or the state records, you're not going to get access to that. So it's a good idea to make sure you have all your bases covered, make sure nothing is missed, give it that big picture view. There's also other benefits. For instance, you might be able to locate someone's cell phone, previous addresses. It could be people that associate with them. There's very deep web type of searches. So there's a lot of different tools that you can utilize using the private database. And it's a good idea to use them in combination. That way you make sure you're not missing anything, because people do move from state to state. So it's a good idea to utilize tools like that. So once again, minnesotapublicrecords.com. Come on down and get started on your Minnesota Public Records search. Thank you.